Hi, Rohan. Hi, Rohan. Hello. Rishita, hi.
Hi.
Did you complete your homework?
Yeah?
Do you have any doubts?
No.
Let me check. Okay, one second. Rohan? One second. Let me pull the paper that we are going to work today. See. Hello. Rohan.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Doing
You're
good. Doing good.
you're Priya or
No, I'm Vijayashri. Priya's
Vijayashree? Hi,
friend. Yeah,
Vijayashree.
yeah.
How are you?
Doing good.
Aniket.
Doing good.
Yeah, this is my son Anike. Say hi.
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 Say hi, love.
Hi.
Hi.
This is Miss Vijayashree. Say, how do you want? What do you want to call? What do you want him to call you? It's a
You,
long name.
you called me Viju. You could just call
Vi-
me whatever you want.
Miss
Viju is
Viju.
my pet. Yeah,
Miss
nickname is
Vijay.
Viju. You can call
Yeah,
me Viju, okay?
Miss Viju. Yes. Hi, Miss Viju.
Okay.
I
Hi.
think.
Sorry, I didn't get your name. Your name is
Aniket.
Aniket. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Just waiting for one more student, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'll be just
Uh, so, do you know fractions, Aniket?
Fractions.
What do you know about fractions?
Um.
You've learned fractions, right? One third, one two, half, one fourth, and all.
I think I don't remember.
See,
Quickly you have
I
to
think I'm just waiting for one more. Let him come. Before that, let me give you an introduction about fraction, okay?
Okay.
So, if you have this girl name is Rishita, okay?
Okay.
So if
Hi.
you have, say hi. Okay.
Hey, hi, Rishita. Or was it your daughter?
No, she's not my daughter.
Oh, okay, okay. No, no, no. I heard some name. Somebody say hi. Okay, was that is Rishita?
Yeah, she's a student.
Oh, okay, okay, good. I can't see her for some reason. I can't see you also. Oh,
Oh,
you.
why?
Oh,
Rishita, you
you're
can see me,
sharing the
right?
Yeah.
Rishita. Okay.
you're sharing the screen, na?
I'm sharing the whiteboard, not
Ah,
screen. Yeah.
why I can see the whiteboard. Yeah.
You can't see me.
No, I can't see you.
Oh, I think there should be a video icon there.
1 second. But earlier we were able to see you.
Uh, on the right and bottom, you'll have a video icon. You
Uh,
can't see that?
It is on actually. Let me
No,
see.
just press on that. It's an iPad or a
Ah, it's
laptop.
iPad. It's iPad.
iPad, right bottom, you'll see a video icon. Just click on it. I think you can see our faces.
I don't see that. One second.
You-
Oh, one second.
That's okay.
I cannot see a video icon. I can see only whiteboard stop video. Where exactly you're saying the video one?
There should be one video icon which is on the right bottom.
Right bottom. Let me click on more. Video and effect. No, that is only ours. Hmm. Okay, let me check. You can now
That I
explain.
can see him. No issues then.
Yeah, yeah.
Eh?
Sure, sure.
See, let me explain what is fraction. Okay, you have two chocolates. Okay,
Okay.
and how will you share it with two people?
2 people.
Mm.
You have to give one chocolate to one kid, and then you have to give the other one to the other kid.
Okay. Now here is the tricky question. Okay, there's only one chocolate. How will you share it with two people?
Um, you can split it. You can split it in half, and you can
That's
split it on.
Yeah. Split it into half means you're going to cut them into equal parts. Do you get it?
Yeah.
This part, one second. Rohan, are you there?
Mm,
What happened to your video? One second, I can't see you.
really?
Oh, I can't see Rohan again for some reason. Okay. So it's going to be equal parts. Do you get that? If you want to cut a chocolate and you're going to share it with two people, you can't cut it like this, okay? The other person will not accept. You're giving a small piece to one and you are taking the big one. This is not accepted, okay?
Okay.
Okay. In a fraction, when you want to divide a single chocolate into two parts or three parts, it should be equal. Okay.
Okay.
Do you get it? So, how will you represent this part? Do you know
I
how
don't
to?
see the whiteboard now. One second.
Okay.
Because either I can see your face, or whiteboard. So then we change the
Just
mode.
just ignore me. Just put the whiteboard. That should be
Oh,
good.
whiteboard. One second. How do I get it back now? Hmm. We have not done much Zoom videos. Just bear with me.
Oh, that's okay.
Gallery view, center stage. What I have to select? Hide non-video participant.
You better exit and come back. I think you should be able to see.
Let me see. Yeah.
Okay. Rohan and Rishita.
Yeah.
Uh, Rohan. Hi, Rohan. I can't see you.
Oh, I'm in the car. So.
Okay. Did you complete your homework? Rohan? I can't hear you, Rohan. Mm, Rohan, I can't see you. I can't hear you.
Huh? Yeah.
Okay, Rishita, let me start the class, okay?
Okay.
Let me paste a few questions. Okay, on the board. Rishita, do you know what is
Yeah.
unit fraction?
I heard of it.
Rohan? Oh, he's not that. Unit fraction means the numerator is always 1. So 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. These are unit fractions. Okay? These are unit fractions. Okay. So
Okay.
let's do the first problem. Do you know how to do the first problem?
Can I read it?
Yeah, you can read it. You can see, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, we can see your board now.
Oh,
Now,
okay. Okay.
maybe
Okay.
it's here, but
Okay, let's Rishita, do you know the answer for the second question?
Unit fraction has a denominator of 6. Which picture must be true?
Hmm. Oh,
Um,
1 second, okay. I just gave her one question.
no problem.
Is it the second?
The whole has one part and 6 are selected. Think and tell me what is 1 by 6 means? What is 1 by 6?
1 by 6?
Rishita, what does 1 by 6 means? Do you have any idea? I'm sorry, I still didn't get his name.
Aniket.
Aniket. Okay,
Aniket.
Aniket. Aniket, do you know what is 1 by 6?
No.
No. Okay. Rishita, just bear with me. Let me explain that
Is it
fraction.
6?
What is 6?
1 by 6.
How will you represent 1 by 6, Rishita?
Um,
It's divided into
so you have
divided into 6.
a piece of 6 pieces.
You have a cake, one whole cake. Okay, just listen, both of you. You have a cake, okay? Let me draw a square, rectangle cake, and you're going to cut them into 6 equal pieces. Okay, you're going to cut them into 6 equal pieces, and in this 6 equal pieces, you're selecting one. This represents 1 by 6. That is 6
Okay.
represents you're cutting a cake into 6 equal pieces, and you are taking one. Okay, this is
Okay.
1 by 6. Aniket, I'll just explain it to you. What is a fraction? Okay, so I told you, no, right? If you
Yeah.
have a chocolate, you cut them into 2 parts, and this part represents what?
That part represents a half.
Half. How will you write it?
Write it?
Right and show. You write here and show.
So yeah.
Half. Write the half. That is correct.
Okay,
Now, how
the
do you
word
write half? In word. No, 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 no. In numbers, right? That is what she's asking you to write. How do you write half?
half in
Yes.
word.
In numbers, not in words. How do you write half?
Half?
Hmm.
There's 2 parts.
How do you write it?
See, See, there is something called half is like this, okay? There's
Okay.
something called denominator and numerator. Okay. Rishita, can you just tell him what a denominator means here?
Huh?
I'm just asking her a question regarding this. What does it, can you teach him what does denominator means here? What does the denominator tells you?
It tells you.
Tells Rohan, are you there?
Uh, yeah. Something
Can
goes
you
wrong.
just tell him? Can you just tell him what is the
The
what is the
denominator is like it's how many pieces of like the things there.
how many parts are there in one cake, one chocolate, one what to say, one pie, one pizza. So that represents the denominator represents how many parts you're cutting one thing. Do you get it? If I have a cake, okay, if I have a cake, this is one cake, right? This is one cake, right?
Yeah.
And you cut them into four parts. Okay.
Okay.
So denominator tells you how many parts, total parts are there in one cake. How many parts are there in one cake? In this case, how many parts are there?
One cake, there's 4 parts.
Four parts. Okay. And if I shade one piece, okay,
Okay.
that one part will represented in numerator. Do you get this?
Yeah.
If I
I get
take away one part, okay,
Okay.
so that also be represented in the numerator.
Okay.
So denominator tells you how you're going to cut a cake, how you're going to cut a chocolate, how you're going to cut a pizza. Okay,
Okay.
you get it?
Yeah, I
So
get it.
tells you the total number of parts, and the numerator tells you what part you're going to shade or what part you're going to take. Okay,
Okay.
that is represented by the numerator.
Okay.
Okay, this is
Okay.
fraction. I think it will take 2, 3 classes for you to understand the whole concept of fraction. I help
Okay.
you, okay? Don't worry, because I need to start with few problems, a little bit tougher problems for these kids. You just try to understand the question. Whatever you're able to answer me, that's fine. Okay, for now. Okay,
Okay.
2, 3 classes you'll pick up. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
The fraction is very easy. That is, you're cutting
Okay.
them, and every piece should be equal. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can't be sharing like this. No friend will accept if you share your cake like this. 1 second.
Okay.
1 second. You're giving this small piece to your friend and you're taking such a big piece. No friend will accept. So fraction, it's strict condition in a fraction. All the pieces should be equal.
Okay.
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 That's a first condition. All the pieces should be equal, and denominator tells you how you're going total number of parts in each cake, each chocolate, one what to say, one pizza. So the denominator tells you how many parts is there in one anything. Okay,
Okay.
pizza, chocolate, cake, anything. Okay.
Okay.
And the numerator tells you what you're going to take, what you're going to shade. Okay.
Okay.
Do you get that?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. Um, Rohan, do you know
Yeah.
the answer for the first question?
What? Okay.
You also
Which
read
question? Which
for
question?
second, this one. You know how to. Do you know what is a unit fraction?
Uh, kind of.
Read the question. Which picture?
Can you, first question, a unit fraction has a denominator of 6. which picture description must be true? Just ignore picture. Just tell me which one. There are four choices. Tell me which one is the correct one. Aniket, you can also answer.
Okay.
Just understand the question. Do you know what is a unit fraction? Rohan,
I mean, kind of.
tell me what is unit fraction?
So, like, I don't know that much.
Unit fraction is, see, one part in the numerator is called unit fraction. 1/6, 1/3, 1/4. These are unit fractions. Just you're going to shade only one part out of 5 parts. It's called a unit fraction.
Okay.
If you're going to, you have totally 6 parts, and you're going to shade one part. It's called a unit fraction. Okay, this is
Okay.
called unit fraction.
Okay.
Aniket, do you understand?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's one piece. You're talking about one part. For example, 1/6 means you have 6 parts. Okay, and you're
Okay.
shading one part out of 6 is called unit fraction. Okay,
Okay.
you're shading only one. That's called unit fraction.
Okay.
For example, 1/5. You have a cake. You cut them into 5 pieces. Okay, and you're
Okay.
shading one part. This is called 1/5.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
can you just tell me the answer? Rohan,
Yeah.
can you just tell me the answer?
No, 1.
Exactly. Aniket, did you understand?
Yeah, I understand it.
See, let me explain it to you again. So the whole has 6 equal parts. Can you just draw it, Aniket? What
Okay.
is 6 equal part? A whole can be a cake, a chocolate, anything. Okay, draw anything. Okay, it's a pizza, whatever, whichever you like. Just draw it on the board. Can you draw it on the board, Aniket? Are you comfortable
Okay.
drawing it on the board?
No, not that
You
much.
can try. Okay,
Yeah.
try in the book and
Okay.
You try in the book and just show it also.
Okay.
6 parts.
Rohan and Rishita,
Yeah.
please do the third problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir. In chat?
Okay.
Yeah. You just type it.
Okay. The video.
Oh my God.
Mm.
Can't see. So you've taken one cake and you've cut them into 6 parts. Very good. And see, read the first choice. The whole has 6 equal parts. Good. And one is selected.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. How will you write it in fraction?
Fine
Fraction should
fraction.
have numerator and denominator. Okay.
Okay.
Rohan, very good.
Yeah.
Rishita, very good. You started typing, huh? Rohan, good job on the chat. Very good. Very good. Perfect. I want Rishita and Rohan to do the fourth problem. Aniket, you just try to do the third problem. You don't understand. I'll help you. I'm very much here. Okay.
Hey, she's breaking. You're breaking a little bit.
You're breaking.
This one, a bag of 8 identical type.
You're freeze.
You can't see me. I can't. One
Your voice is
second.
breaking.
Oh my God. One
you're like
sec.
this.
Let me check. What is
If you,
happening?
you
Now better, now better.
One second. Let me log
your
off
voice
and
is
log
still
issue with your
breaking.
internet. See you. Okay. Come.
One tile is circled.
You can hear me now? Aniket,
Uh-huh.
can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Rohan,
Good.
how about you?
This
Yeah.
It's good.
what
Okay.
fraction circled? Answer button. You can tell the answer now.
Rohan, third. 1 second. I didn't get your answer. Aniket, just show me. Just tell me the choice. 1/8. Very good. Do you get it?
Yeah, I did
So,
it.
see, a bag has 8 identical tiles. It's treated as one. One mean one whole. Okay?
Okay.
One whole cake or one whole chocolate, one whole set. Okay? And you're
Okay.
going to cut that one whole set into 8 identical tiles. Okay? You're going to cut them into 8 identical tiles. Two, 1, 2, 3. Okay. In
Okay.
that, you're going to shade one or circle one, whatever it is. So when you want to represent them in a fraction, it's going to be there are total denominator tells you total parts in one set. So how many parts? What are how many parts are there? There are 8
8.
parts, 8 identical. So there are totally 8 parts, out of which one is circled. So you have to put one. Whatever you're selecting, whatever you're circling, whatever you're eating, whatever it is, you have to write it in the numerator. Okay.
Okay.
So the answer is going to be 1/8. Okay.
Okay.
Can you do the fourth problem? Rishita,
Okay.
I didn't get the answer for the fourth problem.
I did.
Rohan,
It's the second.
Rishita, read the question. Numerators. Rohan, I didn't get the answer.
I answered.
But the fourth one is what? Can you just write the number, please?
Okay.
Okay. Question number, answer. Okay, I'm getting confused, Rohan. Rishita, you just explain to me why it is second.
What?
Rohan, I want the question number, answer.
Oh,
Don't type A, B, C, and all. Okay, I need the question number also.
okay.
It's pretty confusing now. Okay. Can you do the fourth problem, Aniket?
Okay.
Good, Rohan. Rishita, please understand the question. So, which one is the correct choice, Aniket? Read the choice and tell me.
Um.
Which one is
Then
close?
the numerator must equal 3.
See, what is it? Which is the numerator here? Which is a denominator? Here they're given the number, right? Which is the numerator and which is the denominator?
Mm,
Which is a numerator and which is a denominator?
okay. The The
The bottom is one is a denominator. The top one is the numerator. Okay.
okay.
In 1 by 3, the numerator must equal 3. Is the numerator is equal to 3 in 1 by 3?
No.
Then only rectangles can show 1 by 3. I can show it on a circle also if I want to.
Okay.
This also represents 1 by 3 if I shade like this.
Okay.
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 A whole must have more than 3 parts. How many parts will be there in 1 by 3?
And 1 by 3,
Ah,
there'll be
total number. How are you going to cut the cake?
you're gonna cut the cake into some like Y shape. Like
Yeah, I got it. How many pieces will be there in that cake?
3.
3. So what is the last choice? It is given that the whole must have more than 3 parts. Whole means, I told you, no, whole can represent a cake, can represent a chocolate, can represent a pizza, can represent anything. Okay.
Okay.
A whole must have more than 3 parts. Is it right or wrong? In this case, how many parts should be there in a whole? When I given the fraction as 1 by 3, how many parts? What is the total number of pieces can a whole have if it is 1 by 3?
The total number of pieces is 3.
3. It can't be more than 3 because denominator tells you how many pieces is going to be there in one whole. Okay.
Okay.
So there should be only 3 parts. So the last choice is also wrong. A whole must have more than 3 parts. No, it should only have 3 parts. Okay.
Okay.
So the first one is right. The fraction name equal parts of a whole. What does it mean? What does a fraction means? Everything should be equal. Okay. That's the right
Okay.
choice. Okay.
Okay.
So the first one is the right choice. If you don't understand, let me know, Aniket.
Okay. Okay.
What does it say? Fraction name equal parts of whole. That is, if I cut a cake into 3 parts, all the parts should be same in size.
Okay.
Okay, that's what the first choice tells you. And that is true. In any fraction, all the parts should be equal.
Okay.
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 Okay, let me get the next 1 second. Just wait. Let me take next set of problems. Rohan, Rishita, you can see the questions, right? Aniket, how about you?
Yeah, I can see them.
Rohan, Rishita, please
Yeah,
do the fifth. Aniket, if you have any problem, let me know.
Okay.
Select all unit fraction. You know what is a unit fraction, Aniket? Just few minutes back, I just gave you some example. Do you know what is
Yeah.
unit fraction?
Yeah, I think. Yeah. I know.
What is unit fraction?
Unit fraction.
Hmm.
Okay. It's
Unit fraction means
a fraction. It's the things have to be equal. So the size has to be equal.
any fraction, the size should be equal. What is unit fraction?
Unit. Oh, I don't know unit. I think
Unit
I
fraction
forgot.
means you're selecting only one piece out of 6 piece or 7 piece or 8 piece. You're selecting only one piece. That's a unit fraction. So
Okay.
generally, a numerator should be 1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Just tell me which fractions represents unit fraction.
Okay.
Rohan, right? You can do the 7th problem, 8th too. Okay? So unit fraction is basically if you have n number of pieces, you're selecting 1 out of it. Okay?
Okay.
1 by 8, 1 by 7, 1 by 6, 1 by 5. All these are unit fraction. That is, you're selecting 1 out of 8. You're selecting 1 out of 7. You're selecting 1 out of 6. Okay? You're selecting only
Okay.
1. That is called unit fraction. Okay?
Okay.
Rishita, I didn't get the answer from you.
Um,
Do you know what is a unit fraction, Rishita?
no.
I just now explained, okay? What does a unit fraction represents? If there are 8 pieces, for example, let's take one fraction, okay? If there are 8 pieces and you're selecting 1 out of 8 is called unit fraction. If you're selecting 1 out of n number of pieces, that is called unit fraction. To be more this thing, you have to have only 1 in the numerator.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So just tell me, which is the right answer for the 5th question? Aniket, can you just tell me
Yeah.
the answer?
Um.
Is it
Mm,
You're selecting only 1 out of many pieces, ma. That is unit fraction. Just tell me where 1 by 2 is a unit fraction or not.
it's 1/8.
See one. Let's take let's take a cake, okay, a
Okay.
chocolate, and you're going to cut them into. Let's first take the 1 by 2 fraction, okay. If you have a chocolate, how are you going to cut them in 1 by 2?
Um. You're gonna have to split it into half. So you're gonna have to
You,
draw a line in the middle.
you have to draw a line in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Because you're going to cut them into 2 parts. See, the denominator tells you how to cut the cake. Okay. In general,
Okay.
how many parts? Okay. So you're
Okay.
going to cut them into 2 parts. Okay. And
Okay.
you're going to select one, a shade one. That's what the numerator tells you. Okay. So you're
Okay.
going to select one. Okay.
Okay.
So this is 1 by 2. Okay.
Okay.
So if you're selecting one, that means it is a unit fraction. Okay.
Okay.
Can you just do 1 by 3? Draw a cake, cut them into 3 parts. Okay.
Okay.
And you're going to select. You're going to select.
Um.
I'm asking you to represent 1 by 3. You're going to select.
No, I'm gonna select the one by. Yeah, I'm gonna select 1/3.
How you going? You're going to see. You're cutting the 1 by 3. How will you represent, Aniket? What you'll do first? Tell me.
The
Rohan,
first.
1 second, Rohan. Let me check your answers. Okay. 1
okay?
second. Tell me, Aniket, how will you represent 1 by 3?
So
Draw
you
and
have
show
to.
me.
Okay.
1 of 8 equals 6 and 1.
Rohan, you're right. Okay. Do the 7th and 8th problem. Ma.
Okay.
If you have any doubts, let me know. Okay.
Mm.
Very good. 1 by, this is 1 by 3. Is it a unit fraction, Aniket?
What?
1 by 3 is a unit fraction or not? What does a
It's
unit
a.
fraction tells you? You're selecting 1 out of many pieces. That's called unit fraction. Is 1/3 a unit fraction or not?
It's a unit fraction.
Because you're selecting only 1 out of 3.
Yeah.
How about 2/3? Rishita, can you just tell me 2/3 is a unit fraction or not?
No.
Why?
I mean, yeah.
Why?
Because the last
What is a
number
unit? Huh?
is a denominator.
No. Aniket, is 2/3 a unit fraction or not?
It's not.
Why it is not?
Because you're selecting 2 instead of 1.
Very simple. That is what, Rishita. You're selecting 2 out of 3. You have to select only 1 for a unit fraction. If you have 10 pieces, you're selecting 1. That is called unit fraction. That is 1/10. Okay. 2/3 is not a unit fraction because you're selecting 2 pieces out of 3. Okay. Rishita. Answer, Rishita. Do you get it?
Yes.
So Aniket and Rishita have to answer me. 1/8 represents a unit fraction or not?
It
Yes.
represents a unit fraction.
Why? Because you're selecting 1 out of 8. Okay.
Okay.
8/8 represents a unit fraction or not?
No.
Why? Rowan, I didn't get answers for seventh question and 8th mark.
I answered.
I'm not able to see. Wait. No, I didn't get it.
But I answered.
Can you send it again?
Okay. I answered both of them. So,
Can you send it, ma'am? Please.
okay.
Yeah.
It's 1 in the first.
What's that?
It doesn't have a 1 in the first.
Yeah, you're not selecting 1. You're selecting all the 8 pieces. So that is not a unit fraction. Okay. Aniket, I want the 6th answer from you. Think and tell me. Okay.
Okay.
Rishita, how about 7th? 7th and 8th? Rohan's answers, I somehow not getting it.
I answered it again.
I don't know. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay. Very good, Rohan. 8th, you've done. 7th. Very good, Rohan. Okay. Good job.
Okay.
Aniket, 6th
And
answer. You just tell me. That's fine.
oh, 1 of 6 equal pieces of a whole is written as a fraction.
How will you write it?
Okay.
Rohan, just wait, ma. 2 minutes. I'll just give you next set of problems, okay? Rishita. I didn't get the answer from you, Rishita. 7th.
typed it.
What's the answer for the 6th one?
6.
Yes.
I typed the 3 and 1 and 2.
3, 1, and 2. What do you mean by 3, 1?
Like the first question and the second question.
We have discussed the sixth question, fifth question, Rishita. I want the answer for the sixth one. Where is it? Aniket, just show me, ma. I want you to represent them in a fraction, Aniket. No more shadings. Just represent them in fraction.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Need 1 second. I cut myself.
Who's that? Rohan, no? Okay.
Like this?
Aniket, I want you to represent you the shaded, the first diagram is the correct one. I want you to represent in a fraction. Fraction means you have to have a denominator and numerator as a number. Do you get it?
Oh, as a number.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Fraction means you have to have a numerator and a denominator.
Okay.
Okay, I don't.
Is returned as
Like this?
Yes. Okay. This is
Okay.
also a unit fraction. Do you get that? Because we are
Yeah.
selecting 1 out of 6.
Yeah.
So can you do the seventh problem?
Seventh?
Aniket?
Okay.
Just
Okay.
Rohan, are you there?
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, 1 second. I don't know how I. 1 second. Can you see the ninth problem, Rohan?
Yeah, I can.
Do the ninth problem. Rishita, where are you? What are you doing, Rishita? What is the answer for the sixth, seventh, and eighth?
What is
I didn't see your answers. It's not there. Please write the question number and the answer, okay? Don't write 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I will not accept. I want the question number and the answer. Aniket,
Yeah.
you can see the question, right? Seventh question.
Yeah, I can see it. Okay.
One of 8 equal sessions as 1 by 7 because 7 sections are unshaded. What is the best correction?
6 equal pieces of a whole is returned.
Which is the right correction for this question? Rohan, right. Okay. 1 second more.
okay. Okay.
Good job, Rohan. You can see the 10th problem.
Is
Yes.
it the wait, let me write it.
I just saw the ninth answer. I didn't see the 10th question. Aniket, if you have any doubts, let me know. What is,
Okay.
how will you do the 7th question?
The seventh question,
A
you have
student. Oh, yeah.
you have the student labels like
See, a student is, there is 1 of 8 equal sections, okay? A student is labeling it as 1 by 7. Is it a
okay.
right way of representing 1 of 8 equal sections? How will you represent them?
Represent them.
What is the mistake she has done? A student labels 1 of 8 equal session. How will you do 1 of 8 equal session? How will you write it in fraction, Aniket?
Fraction
Yeah.
like this. Okay.
Aniket, if you can use chat also if you want to, okay, to write your answers.
Okay.
How will you represent 1 of 8 equal sessions? Rohan. Very good, Rohan. Doing a good job today. Can you do the 11th problem, Rohan?
Okay.
Try, okay? If you don't
Where is
understand,
11? I can't see 11.
you
Oh,
can't
wait,
see.
never mind. I can see. I can see.
Hmm. Aniket and Rishita, how about the 7th problem? Aniket?
This?
See. Yeah, you just write now. I don't want shading, okay? I just want the
Okay.
fraction. That is number form. Okay?
Okay.
How will you represent them in number form?
I know.
Is it the third one?
It's like this.
Which one?
Question.
Which question? 7th question.
Yeah.
How will you
Is
do
it the-
that? How will you represent the student labels one of 8 sessions? How will you write it in fraction? Very good. Okay. So what the student has done, how he has written it as? He
15
made a mistake,
as
right?
yeah.
Aniket and Rishita, what he has done? He has written the
Yes.
fraction as what?
It has written the fraction
As
as
1 by 7.
oh
1 by 7 is the right way of representing one of 8 equal sessions.
No.
it's one is it 1/8?
So that's the way you have to do it. And what is the mistake he has done here? Read the choice. Tell me which one is the best correction. He has to make a correction, no? Where he has to make the
Yeah.
correction?
The
He messed up.
denominator is 8 because the whole has 8 equal sessions.
Yeah, he made a mistake in the denominator. Instead of 8, he represented 7. Okay.
Okay.
So the denominator is 8 because this choice, the first one is the right choice. Because what correction he has to do is with the denominator. So denominator is 8 because the whole has 8 equal sessions. Okay.
Okay.
How about Aniket?
Yeah.
Do you get that?
Yeah, I get it.
Can you do the 8th problem? Read the 8th problem and tell me the answer.
Which number can we replace?
Rohan, 12th.
Okay.
Good job, Rohan. Very good. Do you know what is add-ins, Rohan?
Huh?
You know, do you know what is add-ins?
No.
See, in addition, no, 2 plus 3 equal to
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Okay, what gives 5?
Hmm?
What gives 5? 2 plus 3 gives 5.
5.
This is called add-ins. 2 and 3 are called add-ins of 5.
Oh. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. That ends.
Aniket and Rishita,
Yeah.
8th problem. Just tell me the choice, Aniket. That should be fine.
Okay.
And
Is it
don't
the
draw.
fourth?
Yeah.
4.
1 by 8.
Which one 1 by 8?
The 8th question.
No.
Is it
Read the
1/4?
question and type it, okay? I don't want you to tell me the answer. Type it.
Is it 1/4?
1 by 4. Very good. Do you get it? Because which number can replace B so that A by 1 by B describes as one of 4 equal parts. That is 1 of 4 equal part is what fraction? Can you just tell me? What is a fraction for 1 of 4 equal parts? Aniket, I don't want
Yeah.
you to shade it, Kana. I just want the fraction.
Okay.
1 over
1/4.
1 over 4. When you compare 1 over 4 with 1 by B, you know that B value is what?
B value is um
With what you have to replace B value?
with 4.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Can you, Aniket, I'll just tell you what is addition, okay? Adding two fractions. How will you add two fractions? Okay, when the denominators are same, no? For example, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. When you have the same denominator, you just add the numerators, okay? What is the
Okay.
numerator here? 1 plus 1. It's going to be
2.
2 by 3. Okay? You just write the
Okay.
denominator.
Okay.
Don't add 3 plus 3. Don't do that. You should not,
Okay.
you should not add your denominator. Just write 3 in the denominator, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So to represent them, if I have one cake, I cut them into 3 equal parts. Okay. I'm
Okay.
giving one part to Aniket and one part to Rishita. Okay. So one part to Aniket is 1 by 3. Right? One
Yeah.
part to Rishita is 1 by 3. Right?
Yeah.
So totally how many parts you both have taken together? Aniket had one piece, Rishita had one piece. So how many pieces you have taken?
Taken.
Mm. You have taken two pieces, right?
Yeah, you
Both
taken
together.
2.
So 2 out of 3. You 2 by 3. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. You are taking one part of it. Rishita is taking one part out of 3. So how many parts you have taken? You both have taken 2 by 3. Out of 3 parts, 2 parts are taken. Okay.
Okay.
So just tell me which strip diagram matches 4 by 6 equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Which one represents that? Rohan, very good, very good. You've completed all the 3 questions.
I didn't do 14 yet. Let me do that.
14th, I can't see the 14th question. Where is it? Oh, okay,
Just,
okay. You've
yeah.
done the, okay. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. Aniket and Rishita, tell me the answer for the 9th question.
9.
Which one represents 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 equal to 4 by 6? Which one represents?
1 by 4.
Which one?
1 by 4.
No, which there are 4 choices, right? Which one is the correct choice?
That's the first one.
Yes, first one, Rishita. Aniket, you want me to explain it? See,
Yeah.
there are, check, how many pieces are there in the first choice? There are 6 pieces, right?
Yeah.
So this is for Aniket, this is for Rishita, this is for Rohan, this is for me, and this is for some X and Y, okay? Let's assume it. So what is a fraction, Aniket? So how many pieces you're taking out of 6?
Out of 6,
Aniket is taking,
I'm taking.
this is you. Aniket is taking one piece. So how will you represent it? You represent it as 1 by 6. Okay.
Okay.
Rishita is taking? Rishita is taking
It's,
one piece. Okay. So
okay.
she's taking out of 6 pieces, she's taking one piece. Rohan is taking one piece. So she out of 6 pieces, Rohan is taking one piece. I'm taking
Okay.
one piece. So out of one piece, I'm taking out of 6 pieces, I'm taking one piece. This
Okay.
person X is taking one piece out of 6, and Y is taking one piece out of 6. Okay.
Okay.
So when you add up all these things, what you're getting?
Add up all these things.
Yeah.
You get
1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. What did I tell you? When the denominators are same, you have to just add up the numerator. Okay. So
okay.
1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many ones?
6.
So 6 by 6. That is we have taken we have taken the whole cake. Okay.
Okay.
Now read the question. There is which strip diagram matches 4 by 6 equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. That is, you have 6 parts. Okay.
Okay.
The first one is 1 by 6. Okay. The
Okay.
second part is 1 by 6. How many parts you have to shade? How many parts are you have to shade in this case? 4 by 6. In 4 by 6, how many parts do you have to shade?
You have to share four parts.
4 parts. So which one represents 4 by 6?
4 by 6.
Now, out of this 4 diagram, which one represents 4 by 6? Which one represents 4 by 6, Ma?
The
This
first one.
first one represents 4 by 6. That's it. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So, can you do the 10th problem? Rishita, I just need the answer. Type it, okay? Rohan, have you completed? 14th problem.
The equation shows one whole
Fraction made
as
by-
a sum of unit fraction.
What is 9, Rohan? What is that? 9.
It said what fraction is made by combining all 3 thirds. I didn't.
All three thirds means what? What
Um,
is thirds? How will you represent thirds in fraction?
you write 3 parts.
Which
You write 3 parts, yeah.
Yeah.
Thirds means 1/3 is called thirds.
Oh,
Okay.
so 3.
1 by 2 is called half. So thirds means 1 by 3. Okay. Do it now.
Okay.
Aniket and Rishita. 10th answer.
I typed it.
Rishita, it's wrong, okay? The 10th answer is wrong.
It's not
The
4/4.
11th one is wrong. 10 by 7, right? You've written 11th problem as 10 by 7. That is wrong. Okay. And the 10th problem is right. 11th is wrong. Aniket, do you
Yeah.
need help?
Yeah, I need help.
How do you do? First, understand the question. Which equation show one whole as a sum of unit fractions? Sum of unit fraction is, what is a unit fraction, Aniket?
A unit fraction is there's one so there's one whole.
Uh, yeah, tell me. If there is a one whole cake, you're cutting them into 3 pieces, and this part represents 1 by 3. One part will represent 1 by 3.
Okay.
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 One part. This one part is also, this part represents what?
This
Oh, how will you write it? This part in fraction.
the third one?
No, ma, this second part, right? There is this part. I'm shading it also for you. How will you represent this part and 1 by in fraction?
That part?
This part.
Okay.
It's going to be, again, it's going to be 1 by 3. Each part will be 1 by 3, Aniket.
Okay.
Because you're taking, out of 3 part, you're taking 1 part. Out of 3 part is one part. Out of 3 parts, 1 part. So each part represents 1 by 3. Okay.
Okay.
So when you add up 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it's going to be
Plus 1 by 3. It's gonna be 3 by 3.
3 by 3. That is, what is 3 by 3?
3 by 3.
Hmm.
1 plus 1 plus 1.
That is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is one whole cake, no?
Yeah.
1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. The second part is also shaded. The third part is also shaded. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is going to be 3 by 3. That is one whole cake.
Okay.
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 So let me give you one more example. See, there are 4 pieces in the cake. Okay.
Okay.
This part represents what? Right? Tell me in fractions. What does the first
Okay.
part represents? It's going to be,
1 by 4.
how about the second part?
The second part.
This one. How will you represent in fraction? Just this part alone.
2 by 4.
No, each part is going to be 1 by 4. No, Aniket. This is
Okay.
1 by 4. This is also out of 4 pieces, 1 piece. This is also 1 by 4. This part is
Okay.
also 1 by 4. This part also 1 by 4. When you add up, then it is 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. But each part represents 1 by 4. Do you get it?
Yeah.
No. If you have if you have a cake, okay, you cut them into 4 pieces. This part represents 1 by 4. This one also represents 1 by 4. This one also represents 1 by 4. And this part also represents 1 by 4. Okay.
Okay.
So tell me which equation show one whole as a sum of unit fractions? One whole means
1 home.
both your numerator and denominator should have the same part number.
Okay.
Okay, so 1 by 2, first choice, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2,
1 by 2 plus 1 by 2.
it's going to be,
Um.
Rohan, I didn't get the answer for the, 1 second.
Oh, you answered.
Which fraction is made by combining all the 3/3? Answer is B?
Yeah.
No.
Hmm?
Which fraction is made by combining all the 3/1/3? You're
Three.
combining all 3,
One.
you're
Two.
combining all
Oh,
3.
that's. Oh,
What it's going to be?
it's gonna be A. 3 by 3.
Exactly. Okay, 1 second, Rohan. I'll just give you another set of problems. Just wait for 1 minute. Yeah, Aniket, tell me.
1.
So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is what?
1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is
Going to be
going to be
2 by
2 by 1.
2 by 2.
2 by 2.
You
Yeah.
just when the denominators are same, you just add the numerators.
Okay.
Okay, it's going to be 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. It's going to be
Yeah.
1. What did I tell you? When the numerator and denominator both are same, it represents one whole.
Okay.
See, if you have a cake, you cut them into 2 pieces and you're selecting both the pieces, then it's one whole, right?
Yeah.
Do you see that? If you have a
Yeah.
cake, you're cutting them into 2 pieces. How will you represent this in fraction, Aniket? First tell me. You have a cake, you cut them into two pieces and you're shading both the pieces. How will you represent them in the fraction? You tell me that. How will you represent?
So you're shading both pieces?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rishita, you tell me the answer. You just type it for type ma answers.
I did.
13th answer is right. How about 14th?
I'm typing it.
Aniket, how will you represent this? I have
What's not?
I have a cake. I cut them into two pieces. I'm shading both the pieces. How will you represent them in fraction? Numerator and denominator. How will you represent them? Rohan, next set I'm giving you. Okay.
Okay.
Two
Two.
Two
Over.
by 2.
That is what? What is 2 by 2?
2 by 2
Ah.
is
One whole, right? You're shading
one
a whole,
whole.
the whole cake.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
So 2 by 2 is one whole cake. Okay.
Okay.
The first one, one second, Aniket, I'll just give some problems to Rohan. If Rohan, you can see the questions.
Like half, not all. Like
Oh, 1 second, I'll reduce the size. Now you can see.
no. Let wait. No, it's like half is on my screen and half isn't.
Now, no,
Wait.
you can't see.
Yeah, I can see. Now I can see.
Just do the 16th and 17th problem. It's already 6:11. You can leave after that. Okay.
Okay.
Done.
You come. You done, Rohan?
What?
No,
No.
me.
Rishita, 1 second. Oh my God. You can see the question.
I can see it.
Can you do the 16th, 17th, and 18th, Rishita?
Yeah.
Aniket, let's go to your problem.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my God. How will you do the see? This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is what? 2 by 2. That is one whole, right?
Yeah.
Aniket. What is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is? It's going to be
3 by
3 by 3,
3.
which is one whole again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How about the last 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is going to be
4 by 4.
4 by 4. That is one whole again. Okay.
Okay.
How about 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4? It's going to be
3 by 3.
3 by 4, right?
Yeah, 3 by 4.
3 by 4 is one whole, or is 3 by 4 is one whole? What did I tell for one whole? Both the numerator and denominator should have the same value. 3 by 4 is not one whole cake. Let's shade 3 by 4. You have a cake, you're cutting them into 3 pieces and you're cutting them into 4 pieces and you're shading 3 pieces. This represents 3 by 4. Do you get this?
Yeah.
So, does 3 by 4 is one whole? Are you shading all the pieces in 3 by in this cake?
No. There's
You are
one.
selecting only 3 pieces. So it's not one whole. Okay.
Okay.
So which equation show that one whole as a sum of unit fraction? Unit fraction is what? You're selecting one out of many pieces. Okay. The
Okay.
first one represents 1 by 2 is a unit fraction plus 1 by 2 another unit fraction. When you add up, you're getting one whole. Are you getting one whole?
What was the question again?
1 second, ma. 1 second. Let me check Rohan's answer so that he can leave. 6 copies. 1 by 6.
No, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Right?
Some
2 by 2,
said
right?
exactly 6 copies of.
It is one whole. That's what she's asking.
1 second, Aniket.
Okay.
Let me check Rohan's answer. And 16th one, 3 by 5. Very good. Very good, Rohan. Good job. Okay. Bye. You can leave. Rishita and Aniket, you have to wait today. Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm on the 17th question.
I just type the answer. Okay. Let me check.
Mhm.
Wait. Don't leave the class. Okay. I need to check
Okay.
your answers. Yeah. Tell me, Aniket. How will you do the
Is it 2 by 2?
2 by 2 is one whole?
Yeah.
Because you have a cake, you cut them into 2 pieces and you're shading both the pieces. So that represents the whole cake, right?
Yeah.
So 2 by 2 is one whole. So this one is the correct choice. How about the second one?
The second one?
1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3.
3 by 3?
What is 3 by 3?
One whole.
One whole. Okay, if you have a cake and cut them into 3 pieces and you're shading all the 3 pieces, this represents 1 by 3. This represents 1 by 3. This
Yeah.
represents 1 by 3. When you add up, what you're getting? It's going to be 3 by 3. You're shading all the 3 pieces. So it's one whole. Okay, this answer is
Okay.
also the correct one. How about the third choice?
Third choice?
Yeah.
4 by 4 by 4?
4 by 4 is what?
One whole.
I see somebody whispering. Oh, Rishita's, you reading the question or what? Rishita,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
I'm reading.
What are you doing?
The
Just give me the
18th.
answer. Yeah, 18th answer.
I'm reading the question.
Please read and give me the answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Aniket, tell me. 4 by 4 is one whole?
Yeah.
Okay. How about the last choice? 1 by 4. Looks like somebody is whispering. Rishita,
Yeah.
I can hear some voices, ma, from your side.
Oh, I'll read in my mind.
So, third choice is what? Aniket. 1 by, last choice, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4? It's going to be?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Does 3 by 4 represent one whole?
No.
No. So that is not the right choice. Okay. So the first 3 choices are right. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do the 11th problem and 12. Let's do the 11th problem. That should be, I think it's already 6:18. Okay. Let's do this 11th problem. How will you do the 11th? Huh?
I'm done.
Let me check your answers. Just wait 1 minute, Rishita. I need to check your
Okay.
answers, okay? Aniket, just tell me the seventh answer. First,
Okay.
understand the question and tell me the answer, okay? Rishita, I'm
Okay.
checking your answers, okay, now?
I need help on the 17th one.
Okay.
17th one, what does it tell you? How many copies of 1 by 6 are in the 5 by 6? How many copies are there? How many copies you need to make 5 by 6? How many
6?
Yeah, 5 by 6. How many copies of 1 by 6 you needed to make 5 by 6?
Mm.
7 copies of 110. Right, 110. 110.
How many copies, ma? Rishita?
6?
How? 5 by 6, you have to make 5 by 6 with 1 by 6. How many 1 by 6 you need to make 5 by 6? You needed to make 5 by 6. How many 1 by 6?
4?
Okay, let me tell you.
7
Okay,
copies.
you are saying 4 1 by 6, right? What is 4 1 by 6? Can you add up and tell me what is 4 1 by 6? I've written it here.
You need one
1
more.
copy. This is 1
Ah,
copy.
so how many 5 1 by 6?
Right then.
5?
5 1 by 6. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that is the answer.
Okay.
Okay, you can leave. Okay,
Bye.
bye. Aniket,
Yeah.
tell me, how will you do the 11th problem?
One.
How many 7 copies of 1 by 10? What do you mean by 7 copies of 1 by 10? You're copying 1 by 10 7 times. Okay,
Okay.
that is the meaning. So, oh my God, 1 sec. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. You made 4 copies. Fifth, sixth, and 7 copies of 1 by 10. Okay.
Okay.
So 7 copies of 1 by 10 equal to how much? How will you add up this? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. How will you add? How are you going to add this? What did I tell you?
Mm.
How will you add, ma?
7. 7
7,
by
7 by
7 by 10.
7 by 10. So which? Just tell me the answer now. There are 4 choices. Which one is the correct choice?
The first one.
That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Niket. I'll give you some homework. Okay. Try
Okay.
it. If you're not getting it, fine. We can discuss in the
Okay.
next class. Okay.
Okay.
Bye, Aniket.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.